This chicken burger is so juicy, it literally drips on the first bite, flushed face. And the secret sauce? You've never tasted this combo before. 500g chicken mince, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 egg, half a cup breadcrumbs. For tablespoons mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 teaspoon mustard paste, 1 tablespoon honey, half a teaspoon chili flakes. For burger buns, 2 lettuce leaves, 2 large tomato sliced. For cheese slice, 1 tablespoon butter. In a bowl, add 500g chicken mince plus 1 teaspoon salt plus half a teaspoon black pepper plus 1 teaspoon garlic powder plus 1 teaspoon paprika. Mix lightly. Add 1 tablespoon soya sauce plus 1 egg cup breadcrumbs. Mix just until combined. Don't overmix. That's the secret to juicy patties. Make medium-sized patties. Press slightly in the center. Prevents bulging while cooking. Heat pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Cook patties on medium heat 4 to 5 minutes each side until golden and fully cooked. Mix 4 tablespoons mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 tablespoon honey, and half a teaspoon chili flakes. Taste it, this is the game changer. Spread 1 tablespoon butter on buns and toast until lightly crispy. Take the bottom bun and spread 1 tablespoon secret sauce evenly. Place 1 fresh lettuce leaf on top. This prevents sogginess. Add 1 hot, juicy chicken patty straight from the pan. Immediately place 1 cheese slice over the patty. Let it melt naturally. Add 2 to 3 tomato slices for freshness. Spread half a tablespoon secret sauce on the top bun. Close the burger gently and press lightly for that perfect hold. Be honest, would you pay $10 for this or make it at home? Comment, buy or make.